Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all this new wig that I got from Alipearl hair. So this unit is super nice. I cannot wait to show you all. It is a V part, but first of course I'm just going to show you everything that comes with the packaging. So you get all the typical things that kind of help you install your unit and care for it afterwards while you're wearing it. But this unit is 180% density, 22 inches, and it is a V part. So I love V parts. Absolutely love them. They are like my favorite. It's V part and U parts for me. I love them. So I'm just going to show you all. This is the hair, how it looks right out of the packaging. I did nothing to it. And for installing this one, I did not shampoo it either. So it has the little clips here. That's how you install your unit. It has the clips, not the combs, which are my favorite as well. The clips just make you feel more secure, and I think it may actually lay a little bit flatter than the combs, but that is just my opinion as well. But anyways, so for my hair, I didn't braid it down. I actually just have it in two little braids, and I have the braids pinned to my head so that my wig can lay flatter. So nothing major, very easy. That's why I love V part and U part wigs, because they're so easy. So anyways, I'm just kind of feeling around with how far up to put my unit, how much hair I wanted to leave out, things like that. Even though this is an easy unit type of unit, it was a little bit difficult for me with this texture. So my hair is in its natural state at the moment, but I knew for an absolute fact that my real hair and this wig, they were not going to mesh. They were not going to blend, because it's a no. Like, my leave out is damaged to the max. I never wear my natural curls out. And I also knew, like, if I tried to wand curl my own hair, it still was not going to go. So I had a time trying to figure out how I wanted to blend my hair with this unit. But once I got it, it was on. Like, I love this unit. I love the texture. I love the curl pattern. Super nice. It was literally just the time that I had with blending was my issue. But yeah, even how the hair is right now, I have not combed it out yet. No water has been added. Like, this is the hair out of the box. So yes, very nice. But once I get into really like fluffing the hair out, adding water, is when it gets amazing. Like, is when it gets really nice. So can't wait for you guys to see that in just a minute. But yeah, here we go. So I just have a little bit of water and oil mixed. But I just want to stress to you guys again, like, if this is not your texture of hair, as far as the V part, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So what I did, though, you'll see it toward the end, I just coiled my hair. I feel like that worked the best for me with blending, because like I said, using a wand curler, it just wasn't doing it for me. So yeah, if you guys have any tips though on how you blend your hair with curly hair, let me know. I forgot to say this, I did also try and braid my hair like the night before, and it just wasn't it. So yeah, but other than that, this wig is very pretty. I absolutely loved it. So go ahead and check out the description box below if you guys are interested in something like this, or if you just want to check out the company. I had absolutely no issues with this unit. So very nice. I would recommend it. Like, look how well it's coming out. This hair was just gorgeous. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Please be sure to subscribe and let me know how you guys feel about this one, and some tricks. Please let me know some tricks or tips that you guys do to blend your hair with curly hair. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All my love was only to
wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone post. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. FAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my people, you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Have to call as much as you do.